Hey, this is a video of seed corn being harvested in central Iowa. A little different than a lot of our other videos. A lot of people have probably not ever seen corn be harvested for seed and the process it takes. So I thought I would share this drone footage with everyone. And you can see the machine here that is being used to harvest. I do not know the brand, but it is running a 9-row head, I believe. You can see there. There's a couple John Deere 8 tractors. The machine picks the ear off the stalk, and then you can see here how the trailer that the machine unloads into is dumping into a live floor or a walking trailer there. Walking floor trailer. Has quite the capacity. It's pretty neat. So I'm just going to leave you here with this footage. Thanks for watching, and hope to catch you in the next video.